Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search by applying filters, thereby narrowing down your search on the Autodoc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the plus icon and select a category from here, such as tires and related products, brake system, filters, oils and fluids, engine, body, suspension and arms, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you are interested in, and then you should select one of these options, these subcategories. And if you want to further narrow down your search, click on this filter button in the right side at the top, and here you should be able to see these many filters that you can apply, such as here. So you can select the side of the car, such as front or rear, select the diameter or the brake type, and after selecting the features, click on the show results button down below, and you are going to see all of the results according to your selected filters. The filters, however, are different for each of the categories, so they are related to them. For example, if you check out the damping, you can see that it's also different. So in this case you should select the side of the car and so on. So you have a bunch of other options here. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.